Hi everyone, welcome to Quick Tech tutorial. Today with this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to delete OneDrive account. Now to begin the process, you need to do this in a Google browser in your desktop or PC, as you cannot delete your OneDrive account in the mobile application. So open a Google browser on your PC and then click open new tab, and on the search bar type in onedrive.com and press enter. It will direct you to the official page, and here once you're at the official page you will need to get logged in. As you can see, I am already logged in into my account of the OneDrive, and here you need to click on your profile name over here, click that, and then click on my Microsoft account, click open that. Now it will direct you to this page over here, and here you need to click on your information on the top, click that. At this page, you need to scroll down and you will have the close account option in the account info section. Click that. Before you close your account, you will be provided with the information that you need to go through. And on this page, you scroll down and you will have a link to close your account being present. Here you can see the close your account. Click open that again. Before you do that, you will need to verify your identity. So click on email. Now a code has been sent to the email address of yours. You need to go and check that code. There's the Microsoft code. Click upon that. Now you copy this code from here. Click on copy and paste it over here on this text box. Then click on verify. This will verify your account, which will direct you to the process of closing your account. Here are a few more information before you close your account. So just in case if you change your mind, you can retrieve your account in 30 or 60 days time period. But if you try to do it after the time period is ended, you will not be able to retrieve your account anymore. So choose the time and then click on next. So here are a few following checkboxes that you need to acknowledge that you have reviewed each one of the before closing your account. So click on all these once you have properly gone through the points that has been provided here, and then you need to click on the drop down menu, provide a reason, and then click on mark account for closure. With this, your account will be closed on 12/22/2022, that is on December 22. So if you want to retrieve it, you have 30 days time period to do so. So this is how you can delete your OneDrive account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you.